In this video, we start to create a band portal. Press Portalic in the sidebar. Press Portalic Management button on the left. This is the main screen for the plugin to set up the portal. In the left upper part of the screen, place Data Source section. Data Source is the information container. For example, cars, workers, apartments, products, suppliers, etc. The Features section is on the right upper side of the screen. Each feature will store important data of information. It may be band name, address, musical style, and others. Below Data Source section, place Display section. Display defines how each functional part of Portal will look like. We start from creating new data source. Press Add New Data Source button in the Data Source section. Set a name for the data source, in this case, band. This name will be displayed to the user. Set a name for the data source, in this case, bands. This is a database name of data source. It is important that system name will contain characters and numbers only. Set an email address to declare email, which will get a notification each time new band is added. For example, we will set the email address to be info@portalic.com. In the button text section, you can choose what text to display on the action buttons. We will add the word band in the add and search buttons. In action result messages, we can customize the feedback messages to the user. We will replace the word row with band. In the email details part, we set an email to send to the administrator email. For successful data entry, we can set the subject and the body of the email that will be sent each time a new band is added. In the email title, we will write, "New band is added to band portal." In the email text, "New band added to the band portal." Permissions. Setting who can read, change, or add band's data. We enable the admin and editor all permissions. Authors, contributors, and guests can only read and add. Press Add New button to finish the setup. Important: refresh the page after creating the data source to apply changes. Excellent! We've created a new data source. The next part is to create features for the data source. Press the button Add New Feature. First, we'll create a feature for the name of a band. In System Name, enter the internal name for the band feature. Band name. This is the database name of the feature. You have to use letters and numbers only. In Name, we define the display text for band name. Band name. Input type, as it will be displayed at user interface. For example, text area, select list, checkbox, etc. We set it to long text for a band name. Type, database feature type, the type of information that will be held in this feature. For example, string, text, date, etc. Remember, you cannot change the feature type in the future, otherwise data might be lost or damaged. We set type as long text for the band name. Data source, parent data source. This feature will hold information for selected data source. For example, this feature can hold motor type information for cars data source. We set it to the data source band. Default value. You can use it. For default value in this feature, we will leave it blank. Technical details. Permanent. Use this if you do not want to allow editing this feature after band is created. We'll set this parameter on for the band name. Technical details. Must check this. A feature value cannot be empty. Scroll down to press the Add New button. We have successfully added a new feature, band name. A new line appears in Features section for the band name. We will repeat these steps to create other useful features for our band portal. Such as a phone number and website address. We have to refresh the screen, so all the features will load to the display creation interface. After finishing defining all features, we'll create a new display to collect new bands on the site. Press the Add New Display button. Display name. Declare unique display name. This will help you find the display at the appearance and post widgets. We name it Add a New Band. Display type. This feature declares what functionality this display will supply. Group display, adding information, filtering, and scheme of subdisplays. Choose the option, Adding New Item. Display design. This feature defines how user interface interact with each item. Here we will design how our adding display will look like. We will design it using simple HTML editor and feature adding section. We select in the left box the feature to add display. Put the cursor in the white body area and press Add Label. Then we press Select Feature. Put the cursor in the white body area and press Enter to create a new line. We will repeat this for all the features. Scroll down and click Add New button. Now we have to add the new display to the post in WordPress. Go to the page or post where you would like to add the Adding New Band display. You can add the display to an existing post or create a new one. On the upper right widget, you can choose your display and click Add to Post link. After you clicked it, the shortcode appears in the post. Press Save and preview the post. Now you and your users can add new bands at the site. If you wish, you can change the display to be a button. Go back to Edit Display section. Scroll to Display Setting. Change the Show As setting to Show As Button. In the Button field, enter the text. Press here to add a new band. Click on Save Changes. Refresh the display post. Now let's check it out. Press the new button and see how adding display will appear on the screen. Next tutorial is about creating a new group band display.